In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on direct messages on Zoom. We'll do this from the Zoom web portal in a browser, because that's where the global meeting settings live. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoom account, especially if you manage more than one profile, so the change applies where you need it. Once you're signed in, go to My Account. This takes you to your personal account dashboard, where you can control preferences that affect all meetings you host. You'll see a navigation menu on the left that makes it easy to jump between different sections. From that menu, open Settings. This is the central hub for meeting, recording, and security controls. We're interested in the options that determine what participants can do during your meetings, including whether chat is available at all. Inside Settings, choose In Meeting, Basic. Think of this section as the day-to-day toolkit for your meetings: screen sharing, reactions, polls, and, importantly for today, chat. If you don't immediately see it, scroll. There are quite a few toggles in this list. Now, look for the chat setting and turn it on. When this toggle is enabled, in-meeting chat becomes available, which includes the ability for participants to send direct messages. Depending on your account, you may see additional choices that define who participants can chat with. If you have a drop-down, or options like Everyone, Host Only, or Everyone and Anyone Directly, pick the option that includes direct or private chat, so participants can message each other one-on-one. If you're prompted to save your change, go ahead and confirm. If the toggle looks grayed out or locked, it means an account admin has enforced a setting at a higher level. In that case, you'll need an admin to unlock or enable it for your account. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Turning this on here applies to all meetings you host, so you won't have to redo it each time. Hosts and co-hosts can still manage chat during a meeting from the chat panel if you need to tighten things up temporarily. Also, enabling chat is helpful for sharing links, quiet questions, or accessibility notes. Just remember that direct messages are private between the sender and recipient in the live meeting, but hosts can control overall availability. That's it. With chat enabled in Meeting, Basic, your meetings will support direct messages the next time you host, giving your participants a discreet way to communicate without interrupting the flow.